my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a really quick get ready with me because I need to get ready. I don't have a lot of time. So I'm just going to show you how to get a quick full face soft glam. I'm starting with some moisturizer and with some primer. First I'll be spraying my face with a MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray. Okay, that's clearly empty, so I will not be spraying my face. First I'll be starting with the Farsali Rose Gold Elixer to moisturize my face. Giving that a chance to sink in for a second. And then going over with the Farsali Unicorn Essence as a primer. For foundation day, I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match and I'll be using my Morphe M462 brush to apply it. So normally I would actually either reach for a buffer brush or a beauty blender. But yesterday I applied my foundation with this brush and it looked so good, it looked so natural. Make sure don't forget the neck. So I think I need a tiny bit more coverage today, unfortunately. So I'm just adding a tiny bit of the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I'm just mixing that together with the L'Oreal one. And then adding a little bit more coverage on the face. So again, I am using this brush. Then I'll be going over with the Badescu Rose Water Spray. It doesn't look like it because I put it in a little travel bottle. So once the setting spray, the foundation, everything is sunking in, I am going to set my face a tiny bit. I don't want to use too much powders because my skin texture is being very bad lately. So the less powders the better, because the more powders I'm going to use, the more I'm going to let my skin texture show up. So I'm gonna keep the powders on a minimum. To set my face, I'll be using this very horrible pen of NYX Rimmel Matte Me Up. I should really get a new one because it's broken. I lost the lid, but it's really good. So I'm just going to set my forehead, my chin area, and a tiny bit around the nose. Once I've done that, I am going to contour my face and I'm going to use the Tarte. You don't even know. Oh my god. Why is this happening to me? I lost half a bottle of the Farsali Unicorn Essence. No of the other one. Okay, I'm trying to keep it together. Anyway, what I was saying, I was going to contour my face by using the Tarte Park Prinsess. The packaging is beautiful. I mean, it's super heavy, that's why it nearly like just ruined my whole life here. But this is how the packaging looks like. Very, very beautiful. And then inside it looks like this with different highlighting shades, different bronzing shades, sculpting shades. So I am going to start by using this lighter color and I'm going to highlight my face, placing that under the eye area. And now going in with this one to contour my face. It's really good, it is really pigmented. You do have to be a bit careful, I think, with this one. Because the texture, even though it's very powdery, it's also a tiny bit like creamy. So you don't want to go in heavy, you want to go in gently. As you might know, I like to go in with this brush from Makeup Addictions again. It's called the Jumbo Powder Brush and I like to just blend everything together. Going in with the Badescu Rose Water Spray again. Then to highlight my face I'll be using this one and it's called Halo. Ooh, it is a very subtle highlighter. But also, like on camera, it does show up really good. Then I'm going over with the Motives Cosmetics in Bombshell. I really like this highlighter because it's one of the few gold highlighter shades which like actually suits my face and it blurs out the pores a bit as well. For blusher, I'll be using this blusher from Lancome and it's called the Brush Subtle Cream in, okay, this is French, so bear with me, Rendez Vous à Paris. It is number 5. Like like I just had this brush in my hands and now it is gone and I cannot even understand how. Oh, there it is. You know, you have one of those days that you just shouldn't like even try it. Then for my brows, I'll be using the Benefit Precisely pencil in number 5. Normally I have number 4, but I got the wrong color, which is absolutely fine. 5 is just a tiny bit darker, so you want to put a bit less pressure. Just be a bit more careful with them and then it will be alright. And all I'm doing, because I don't have time to like make them, I'm just going to fill in little patches. And making that into a straight line until the end of the brow. Then I'm creating a few extra hair strokes in the front. I'm barely putting any pressure on the pencil. I'm just gently making a few strokes. Then I'm going to apply a bit on the top of the brow. Give them a little bit of brush with the spoolie. There goes one brow done. I'm just going to do the other brow off camera and I'll be right back. Today's brows, I was not going to make them like on flick, but I did because this brow pencil is so good. It just goes automatically. The only thing that's left to do for my brows is applying a little bit of the Benefit Ready Set Brow just to make sure the brows stay in place the whole day, which is a clear brow gel, and in my opinion it is one of the best ones ever. Then for my eyes, I'll be using the new Too Faced White Peach palette, which is available from the 16th of January, which is actually today. It won't be today by the time I upload it, but the time that I'm filming it is today. Beautiful new palette that Too Faced launched with soft tones, darker tones. It is very, very pretty. So I'm starting by using peach cream all over the eyelid. And then for my crease, I'll be going in with the color Fuzzy. A tiny bit of the Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'll be applying that in my crease. Just to warm everything up. For the eyelid, I am going in with this one and I'm going to apply it by spraying my brush with a little bit of the Badescu Rosewater spray. I'm just topping that on the eyelid. I am going in with the color Suede and I'm applying that under my lower lash line. Finishing up by applying a little bit of Kohl Pencil on my waterline. Just blending out the waterline a tiny bit. For mascara, I'll be using the Benefit Rollerlash mascara to finish off the eyes. Applying a bit of highlighter on my brow bone. Then for my lips, I'll be applying this lipstick from Estee Lauder. It is in the color Rebellious Rose. Just dab that on the lips. I'm not gonna go for a lined lip look. I'm gonna go for a glossy, just put lip gloss on lip look. So all I'm gonna do is just dabbing that into the lips. And then I'll be going over it with this gloss from Tarte. It's called the Opal gloss. And I am applying loads of this. So it basically looked like you didn't do anything, but you still did something. Yeah. Well, anyway, this was probably one of my worst tutorials ever and everything went wrong. But I am going to upload this video because I do want to show you that, you know, not everything in life goes like the way you want it to. And, you know, we all have those days that we just want to skip those days. We just want to pretend they don't happen and then just go to bed and try again tomorrow. So yeah, I am going to do that. I'm going to upload this video. I'm going to show you that it's fine not to be perfect and not to have the perfect makeup. I mean, thinking, you know, maybe I'm just overreacting and you're thinking like, listen, this is nice makeup, so what are you talking about? But this is not what I had in mind for this video. I mean, I had serious plans for this makeup look, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted to, but it's absolutely fine. I do think in the end I am quite happy with the results because it is like a soft glam. I still hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look. I hope it gives you maybe some inspiration for the next time you have to be quick and easy and you still want to have that full face of makeup on. Let's just wrap this up and just go to bed. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you put a thumbs down, I will completely understand. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram, Makeupbysanchez, my Facebook, Makeupbysanchez. Everything will be linked down below. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you have anything to say, just leave me a comment and I will make sure to reply. Don't forget to press the little bell here. That way you'll be getting notification the next time I'll be uploading a video. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!